Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful afternoon or morning. Welcome to NTPEP's webinar series. Today, we will discuss NTPEP's unique patented proprietary products program, also known as UP3. And we created the NTPEP webinar series to provide information on the programs that NTPEP has to offer. Today's webinar is the third and final in our series. Our first webinar covered audit programs, and our second covered our product evaluation programs. Today, the webinar will be presented to you by Vince Glick here at AASHTO. He's our associate program manager here with NTPEP. Hello, Vince.
Hello, Ben.
And I will go ahead and hand the reins over to you.
Thank you, Ben. Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you again for joining us. We'll be reviewing the NTPEP Unique Patented Proprietary Products program here at AASHTO, otherwise known as UP3. We'll be reviewing the UP3 product evaluation review process, the evaluation process timeline, data mine, benefits of the program, and then we'll be taking questions. This program is for member departments to use innovative and proprietary transportation products through the exchange of state DOT certifications, evaluations, and AASHTO coordinated accelerated laboratory testing. Data that is generated through product evaluation will be made available to state product coordinators to determine whether products will be granted provisional status on state DOT's qualified product lists, or otherwise known as QPLs. The NTPEP UP3 website houses new and innovative products or materials, old products and materials for new applications, or scientifically vetted products that face implementation obstacles due to specifications, knowledge, or guidelines among AASHTO members. This also includes products that lack acceptance due to competitive dominance. The NTPEP UP3 program is not intended for products whose basic properties are under research, not ready to implement in the field, or where specifications already exist among AASHTO members, or other sources such as ASTM. Now we will review some key benchmarks throughout the UP3 product evaluation review process. The first step is the initial product evaluation request. Next is the detailed product evaluation application submittal and processing. Posting of the evaluation data follows, concluded by the product certification request. Throughout the UP3 initial product evaluation request, manufacturers submit an evaluation request to NTPEP via data mine. Then, the liaison forwards the evaluation request to the UP3 Council for review and discussion on the next scheduled conference. Should the review meet the scope of the program, the application is accepted in data mine. The manufacturer receives an invoice for statement of work development. As an overview of the product evaluation and application submittal and processing, once initial application fees are received from the manufacturer, the NTPEP staff and consultants work with the UP3 Council to develop and finalize a statement of work. Additionally, the UP3 Council will provide basic direction to the liaison if there are additional questions or documents needed from the manufacturer. Once the statement of work is published, the liaison will distribute an RFP, Initiating the testing facility bid process. One or more laboratories will provide a detailed breakdown of the test regimen. This includes the cost of individual tests or wholesale value of the entire evaluation. The liaison communicates cost estimates received to the manufacturer. This will determine the final evaluation invoice. Given payment is reconciled for full evaluation, sampling is coordinated between the manufacturer and the lab. The laboratory will then proceed with testing once samples are received. Posting of the evaluation data. Once testing is completed, the laboratory uploads a report to NTPEP Datamine and releases it for the UP3 Council review. The Council will review for accuracy. Next, the manufacturer will review the report for release in Datamine. Once released, the test report will become available for review and use by state product coordinators. Now an overview of the product certification request process. States that have previously conducted testing and certified a manufacturer's product for use may post their certificate and data at any time. If a state has not posted a certificate or data, the manufacturer can submit a request through their state product coordinator to post their certificate. State product coordinators and the UP3 Council may request additional testing or new evaluations on completed data if it did not previously meet required acceptance criteria. The evaluation process timeline. Review of the product application usually takes 1 to 2 months. Development of the statement of work, 1 to 4 months. Test facility bid process, otherwise known as the RFP bid process, 1 month. Evaluation, 1 month to 1 year. And the report overview, 1 to 2 months. Now a review of Datamine. Here, you'll see the AASHTO evaluated products are listed in Datamine. Information on each product is available when the product is selected. Another view. This is the manufacturer view within Datamine. And on the left-hand side, you'll see various options for the manufacturer regarding management through the UP3 module. You'll see my applications, my invoices, my products, product release, my preferences, and submit application. If you want to move to other modules within Datamine, you'll also see the drop-down for the technical committee in your center. Continuing on for manufacturer views, you'll find that this is the submit application view within Datamine for manufacturers. Here you'll be able to submit products for evaluation under the UP3 program. Now we'll move on to the next view within the UP3 module. The DOT submitted products are listed here in Datamine. Inclusive of this view are DOT evaluated products and state proprietary products. Information on each product is available when the product is selected. You'll also find on the left-hand side various fine parameters to filter down specifically to the manufacturer's evaluation type, submittal year, product status, category. Does this product meet an existing specification? Is the product patented? And you can search by specific product name. Within the view, you'll see the columns manufacturer name, the product name, the status, and when you enter into each line item, you'll have the manufacturer name, product description, attached documents, statement of work, and the respective test reports are uploaded. This is a state user view within DataMine. For each UP3 user, UP3 state user assign the module where they will be able to submit as state product coordinators, DOT evaluated products and state proprietary products. Benefits of the UP3 program. It serves as a central repository of results and certifications. More economical than developing an individual site. This allows the states to share information. And multiple results in a category or group makes it possible for the assessment of future NTPEP technical committees. You'll find here multiple links for the NTPEP UP3 homepage, the DataMine UP3 homepage, my contact information, and the contact information of the facilitator of this webinar, Van Tran. If there are any questions, please feel free to enter them into the Q&A. And I will go ahead and answer this one. Can a state representative find the manufacturer's cost for testing it in this program? We don't have that directly associated within DataMine. However, if you reach out and inquire about a specific product that was evaluated through the AASHTO evaluated products portion of UP3, I'd be happy to provide that information. We have another question here.
Yes.
How do we, as a manufacturer, submit a request? So manufacturers can apply by registering in DataMine at data.ntpep.org. And once you're registered and have an account, you can submit through the UP3 module. The view we saw on one of the previous slides showed a view of my DataMine for the manufacturer interface, and there's a submit application on the left-hand side. And additionally to that question, how does a state know if a manufacturer has submitted an application to UP3 or is being evaluated through UP3? Well, that visibility is provided once the manufacturer is under evaluation through the UP3 program. It is listed as in test within the main module interface. So under the AASHTO evaluated products tab of the UP3 module, you will see the line items of all the products available, and some will be complete and some will be in test. And for those that are in test, those are the ones that are currently under evaluation. There may be no data available, or maybe even some interim reports available, depending on where they are in the evaluation process.
Thank you, everyone. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And please reach out if you have any additional questions.